Gigapixel AI is an artificial intelligence-powered image upscaling software developed by Topaz Labs. It uses machine learning algorithms to upscale and enhance low-resolution images up to 600% without losing quality and preserving details. The software is particularly useful for photographers and designers who need to increase the resolution of images for printing or other purposes while maintaining their quality. Gigapixel AI can also be used to reduce noise and blur in images, improve sharpness, and enhance details, making it a versatile tool for image editing and restoration.